We're actually a pile driving slash marine contractor. We do a lot of work in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia. We do occasionally go up as far north as Richmond and as far south as Charleston, South Carolina. So anywhere up and down the East Coast, kind of east of 95. We do anything from bulkhead work from residential people to bridge building for the DOT. We worked on the Mark Bass Knight Bridge down in Dare County at Oregon Inlet, and we worked on the Jug Handle Bridge in Rodanthe a little farther down. Also, you know, driven a lot of piles for the ferry system down in Hatteras at that dock, and you know, have done work in Ocracoke on that side of the sound, so to speak. Right now we're at 35 employees, and we have some employees that have been here for 40 years. And you know, and there's several of them that have been here 20 plus. And of course we are a family-oriented company. We emphasize teamwork and having an open and honest communication with your employee. And that really means a lot. The company is only as good as its employees. And you know, I feel like we're a great company because we have great employees. You know, it takes a unique individual, but as a company, you know, we always strive to be better today than we were yesterday. And we take that at heart here. We really do. And hence, you know, employees for 40 years. We have anywhere from truck drivers, because we have to get the material from land to the water in some aspects, crane operators, looking for certified welders. This is a good starting point. You would get a lot of different exposures. We're blessed to have the clients that we do have. I mean, we work for the Department of Transportation. A lot of your local big businesses around here in the surrounding counties. Nucor, it used to be PCS, now Nutrien, Weyerhaeuser, Domtar. Do a lot of work for Duke and Dominion Energy. So you know, the list goes on. Like I say, you have a lot of potential for growth here. If you're willing to put the time in, you will get the reward here.